Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra. Automatic updates let you control how and when your phone installs new system software. This helps you manage data usage, battery, and storage while still keeping your device secure and up to date. To change the setting, first open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Software Update. Inside this menu, you will see options related to system updates and downloading preferences. Now, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Auto Download. Here you will find different choices for automatic updates. If you want updates to download automatically, but in a safe way, choose using Wi-Fi only. This is the recommended option because it prevents mobile data usage and ensures updates download when you are connected to a stable network. If you prefer maximum convenience, you can select using Wi-Fi or mobile data, which allows updates anytime. However, this may use your mobile data without warning. To completely disable automatic downloads, choose Never. This means you will manually download updates whenever you want. After selecting your preferred option, your settings are saved automatically and you are done.